Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation, out at the remodel job where we did the decorative floor stamping. Moving on to the inside, weather's cold, so customer had a significant amount of water damage, so we're getting the subfloor pulled out, blocking put in place, spine joist replaced. No real way to get the decking under the walls, so we're blocking it up 2x6s. Glue it down and use 3-inch ring shanks. So this will be a complete remodel. Keep you posted with progress. Master shower. Get this house happy again. Call us if you've got any kind of remodel work. We can handle it for you right away and right on time. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.